Hello guys, today we will learn how to create a central file. We start creating a new project, then we will go on collaborate and we will hit on collaborate button. First it's gonna ask us to save the project somewhere. We are not saving the central yet. So we save our file. Now Revit is going to ask us if we want to collaborate within our network or in BIM 360. If you're working in a studio, most probably you will want to choose within your network. This way you will place the central in your server and your colleagues can access it and create their local file from it. So we click on OK. Right now we didn't create our central yet, we just enable a work shared environment. In fact, now we can see that the worksets button is available and we have our workset automatically created and we create new worksets if we need to. So now in order to save our central file, actually create our central file, we have to go on our server, in my case current project, we can call it anything we want, and before to save we go on options and we make sure that this is checked. Yes, Revit will create a central file now. So we click on OK, we save, and in this moment we have our central file on our server so that our colleagues can access it and create their local files from it. That's it, you made it. Thank you.